I want to talk about the number one thing I see missing in homes today. It's why people feel like they're cleaning all weekend, but they're not making any progress. And it's not cleaning, it's daily habits. Most people think it's a lack of motivation, a lack of time, a lack of energy, when that's simply not the case. It's a reminder of core daily habits. These are things that you use every day that pile up, such as dishes, such as clutter in the living room, laundry. These, if they're not attended to every day, they will become bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. These are the core habits, and if you want more on this, just let me know in the comments. We'll do a detailed habit video. When daily habits don't get done, they pile up. And this is the part that most people miss. Come home from work. You've got a lot going on in your head. You're thinking about dinner, what you got to do. Look at this clutter. You have worked all day. You have made tons of decisions. And you look at it and you've got more decisions to make. You're overwhelmed. You have so many thoughts going on in your head. And in case you didn't know, our brain can only hold 3 or 4 thoughts at a time. Well, you're already thinking, I'm overwhelmed. What am I going to eat for dinner? Why is this sitting here? And how do you expect yourself to remember, oh, got to do the daily habits, laundry, got to do the daily habits, reset the kitchen. If you actually have to stop and think about the daily habits, then that's why they don't get done, because you have to stop and think about it. This is exactly why autopilot is the goal. Because when we come home, we're so tired. We just cannot think. We just can't think. So it has to be put on autopilot, just like brushing your teeth, making your coffee, taking your dog out. You literally just don't even think about it. You just do it because it's a habit. This is so huge because it removes the mental load. And I have to be honest with you, we are overwhelmed with the amount of stuff we have to do. I see it every day in homes. I've been cleaning houses for 30 years, helping women manage their homes. I see it all the time. I myself am a busy working mom and I come home. We are so full of all these thoughts, all these things we have to do. The only way it's going to get done if it's been put on autopilot, it's a habit that we don't even think about. If it lives in your head and you have to think about it, it's going to drain you. It's not going to happen. This is where autopilot habits comes in. When you implement these daily habits, it keeps up with your laundry. It keeps up with your dishes. It keeps up with the cluttered living room. That way, when you actually get time to breathe on the weekend, everything is maintained. It maintains your house in a certain order. That way, when you get free time, you can actually dust or clean the bathroom. And I'll show you how to fit that in your busy schedule later. But today, we're just talking about the core daily habits. So you're probably thinking, how many daily habits do I have to do? Well, this really depends on how big your house is, how many people, how many things are going in your house. But I always say start with one. If you don't have any daily habits in place, start with one. And I would say dishes and laundry. Start with those. Even just doing one is going to make a huge difference. You incorporate this daily until it becomes a habit. Now, it will take about 3 weeks. It's going to be hard. You're going to have to come home when you're overwhelmed and think about, oh, I got to do this daily habit. But the whole thing is, after about 3 weeks, it's going to become natural. And you're going to say, oh my gosh, I came in my house, I did a load of laundry, and I just didn't even think about it. This is how our brain works. That's why when we drive the same route every day, a lot of times we honestly don't realize the route that we drove. We don't pay attention to things because we do it every day and it becomes a habit that we do and not even think about it. And that's the goal. Your time is actually the most valuable thing you have. So you're going to ask yourself, how long should this take? Well, it depends how many daily habits you work up to and how big your home is. But actually, on average, it should only take about 15-20 minutes a day. I would rather spend that 15-20 minutes a day to have my home stay maintained where it's not causing me chaos. And when I actually do get free time, I can do it and use that time doing something else that is more important than dealing with piles of laundry and piles of dishes that causes me overwhelm. And once you get a better idea of this, I'm going to do another video how to attach it to another habit, which will make it even easier. So this is the foundation that I wish everyone would implement because it really does make life a lot easier. At first, you might have a lot more laundry and a lot more dishes, but once you get this habit going, just give it a week, give it 2 weeks. You're going to notice when you walk in, things are a lot calmer. This keeps your house maintained so it doesn't get out of control. And that's going to give room for your brain to think. I'll be back next week with more systems and techniques that you can incorporate in your home. If you're busy, you're overwhelmed, I honestly make this simplified. Every woman can do this, and it just makes a huge difference. And I'll see you next week. Bye.